seeing sees, how hearing hears, how touch becomes its sight. The mind observes the act itself, the sense of being here, then reaches past the nearby world and knows both far and near. When sensing learns its deeper role and rests within its place, the world appears yet no longer binds the self to time and space. Perception serves a higher lore, no longer pulls the soul. The senses turn from masters now to servants of the whole. Each sense reveals a hidden truth, its movement and its scope. The way the outer world is shown and why it brings us hope. The stars are seen, the sounds are known, yet nothing claims the core. The inner self remains untouched by what the senses store. When sensing learns its deeper role and rests within its place, the world appears yet no longer binds the self to time and space. Perception serves a higher lore, no longer pulls the soul. The senses turn from masters now to servants of the whole. A form emerges clear and true, in harmony and strength. Each layer joined in balanced flow, no fracture, fault, or length. The colors shine, the will stands firm, the mind and heart align. The body becomes a living field of order so divine. Like diamond clear, like thunder still, unbroken, bright and whole. The spiritual